Yes, do you ask others for advice?
Probably I given others ideas. Some oftenly I uh, uh, take advice from my elders and my family members.
Who are your elders?
Um, my elders are my mother, father, and my grandparents, and my relatives and my um, elder sisters and
Hmm.
others.
Okay. Yes, why do people argue in debates?
Mm, As I think people do not have good communication issues, have some issues, and they both parties have a very high ego issues, and sometimes um, they have different opinions. Then